Happy Friday and happy last day of January. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mackenzie Lake here with a look at our full Friday forecast. So we made it to the end of the week. The weekend is right around the corner, and so is the new month of February. Let's go ahead and get into our forecast. We're waking up to a few middle to higher level clouds out there, even a few areas of fog, so make sure to travel safely when heading out the door. But we're going to hold on to this cloud coverage today through the rest of our weekend and even into next week as multiple systems brew up in the Pacific Northwest, and we're going to be on the tail end of each and every system here. So take a look at satellite and radar. We have high pressure system building off the coast here. This is going to shield us from a lot of this activity, but take a look at how that's just pluming all this moisture up further to the north of San Francisco. So this is the first storm that we're tracking here, and then storm system number 2, we've been talking about it, that very impressive system just outside of the coverage zone here. That's going to be moving into our Tuesday and Wednesday of next week, and that's why our rain chances jump up significantly. So we're going to take a look at future track radar. My models don't go out quite that far just yet, so we'll have to keep an eye on timing and of course numbers. Rainfall amounts are likely going to change over the next few days or so, but here's a look at what we have so far. So since we have high pressure down to the south, we have low pressure up to the north. These winds want to travel to that low pressure system, so that's why it's a southerly flow currently. You can see San Francisco, again, a lot of those deeper shaded greens. Well, this is going to be a pretty impactful system heading into our weekend. Again, opening the storm door for us, just about a 10% chance of showers, most likely no rainfall here, maybe just some misting and drizzle. Heading into our Saturday, 10:30 in the morning, a straight line shot here, again, just that fire hose of moisture. This is going to cause a lot of flood watches, warnings. We have a ton of advisories in effect for those areas near just to the north of San Francisco. And this system not looking to be too cool, but it is going to cause some snowfall in high elevation areas. You can see as we head into the extended forecast, though, that now we have more of a southerly approach. So Monday here, high pressure starts to break down, and you can see how those showers will start to shift further and further to the south. So again, my modeling doesn't quite go out into that Tuesday, Wednesday time frame here, but here's a look at the general pattern. We're going to see those showers pushing further and further, and we're going to be on the tail end of this system. So our first set of rainfall arriving late Monday into early Tuesday. I think some of our heaviest rainfall looks to be Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And take a look at future track rainfall here. As I mentioned, no measurable rainfall into the weekend until we make it into about that Tuesday time frame. So these numbers are not exactly correct, but it is showing the general trend that we'll see, which is most moisture up further to the north. Morro Bay, Paso Robles will likely get closer to an inch, maybe even an inch and a half there. We'll be close to that ½ mark in Santa Barbara, and then almost no measurable rainfall down in Ventura County, or if we do see that rainfall, it is going to be on the lighter side. Keep in mind this is going to be a 2-day system, so we'll likely see rain Tuesday and Wednesday. We'll have to keep an eye again on numbers, timing, all these important information and details as we near closer and closer to this event. But now we're going to take a look at our Friday. So if you have any outdoor plans, or if you want to play some pickleball, maybe some tennis, or even some golf outside, today and tomorrow are the days to do it. You can see how temperatures are really nice and mild. 56 degrees there in Guadalupe, 61 in Santa Maria, 61 as well in Orchid. We have no watches, warnings, or advisories. It wasn't too cool of a morning. It's not going to cool off too quickly tonight as well. We're cooling into the 30s and 40s for a majority of the region. And then again, as far as cloud coverage, we'll likely hold on to those partly cloudy skies by the evening. Winds look pretty light until we head into that extended forecast. When the storm system comes, that'll bring rainfall and again, those gusty winds. So make sure to have those umbrellas set and prepared for next week, and make sure to get outside and enjoy your weekend.